In this video, you are going to see how to make this creative thank you slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Let us select it and press delete button to delete everything. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Then again go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and drag it like this, and let us write here thank you. Select the text, change the font to Arial black and change the font size to 120 and increase the text box size and place it in the center of the slide like this. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to shape format, go to merge shape, click on intersect. Now go to shape outline and make it no outline. Now we have to insert a video from my computer. Let us go to insert, go to video, go to this device. Here I have downloaded a video, click on insert. Then the video will be inserted. If you go to the pixabay.com and write here water, and you will find various videos over here. I have downloaded this one. You can download it for free. Now go to snipping tools. Click on new and let us take a screenshot of the video. Click on save and let us save it in the download. Right here image video. Let us close it. Click on the video, click on right button and send it to back. The video will go behind the text. Now click on the text, go to shape format, click on over here format shape, go to fill, go to picture or texture fill, go to insert, go to from a file, go to download and let us choose the screenshot and click on insert. Then the picture will be added. Now click on it. Go to over here effect, go to shadow, go to preset and choose this one offset center. Now we have to change the transparency, size, blur, etc. Let us make the transparency to 4%, size 103% and the blur 35 point, and let us make the angle to 5 point and let us make the distance to 6 point, and this is looking perfect. Now click on the video, go to animation and choose with previous. Now let us watch the slideshow from here and you will see this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.